Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a little review of these new Veneda Timberland boots in the colorway Chrome. These dropped on November 21st. Honestly, they kind of messed up the release. I'm located in Canada, so initially Timberland announced that they were going to drop it on Essence. So on the day of the release, maybe 1 minute before, I had my laptop ready, credit card by my side, Essence loaded, then 10 a.m. sharp I just started refreshing, but nothing came up. So I think maybe 4 or 5 minutes in, I went back to timberland.ca. Of course, all the sizes were gone already, but I got lucky because I just kept refreshing and a pair of US 6 became available. I'm usually a US 5 in men, so these definitely fit bigger on me, but it's better than nothing. I'll just have to work with it. Now, since this is gonna be an honest review, I'll have to say I hope y'all do better next time. I'm not really saying this to Veneda, but maybe the Timberland team, because y'all got a whole team to organize this. How could you update the list of retailers and remove Essence after the actual release time? I took 2 screenshots and you updated the new one maybe 20 minutes in. What's the point? Everything is already gone. Plus, some folks online were saying that they actually dropped them the night before, which is why everything was sold out instantly. I didn't see this myself, so I can't confirm, but this is why I don't usually participate in online releases, because it can get kind of emotionally damaging if you don't get them.
Let's take a closer look at these boots. The right one features a silver metal tag engraved with Veneda and a logo is embossed on the outer side. At the bottom, there is a semi-transparent treaded rubber sole that is extremely rigid and unbendable. The boots are made of patent leather, which has been treated with a clear synthetic coating for a glossy, shiny finish. Inside, the boots are equipped with 200 grams of Primaloft insulation, a synthetic microfiber designed as an alternative to down. A standout feature of Primaloft is its water resistance, making it a great choice for keeping your feet warm and dry.
Out to do a little test wearing these right now. Been only walking for like 10 minutes and they're already creased a little bit. And my ankle started to hurt, but I got one size up. So honestly, I feel like it would have been worse if I got true to size. After wearing them out for a day, the insole kind of rubbed off already. I don't know if you can see, but it used to say Veneda or Timberland in silver in here, but it completely rubbed off after just one day. You can also see the slight crease here as well, but it's patent leather, so understandable. I would say the biggest pain point would be how they hurt my ankles so much. I don't know if this is because I sized up, so there's plenty of room left and my feet tend to just move around too much in the boots, or I need to just break them in a little bit more. So comfort level, I will give it a 5 out of 10 right now. Styling potential, definitely a 10 out of 10. They are functional, but at the same time, they add this little cool pop of freshness. You could just throw on some great sweatpants and these will definitely elevate the whole outfit. Or if you want to be more strategic and pair them with some silver tone accessories, these will give you a touch of modern sophistication as well. So overall, I'm still very happy with the purchase. Like I said, I have a ski trip coming up. Very excited to be styling these. And stay tuned if you want to see how I'm going to be experimenting my look with these boots.